How to delete Splitwise account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started without any further delay. First thing first, make sure that you have installed Splitwise application. Once done, get logged into your account and let's get started with deleting our account. Tap onto your account on your bottom right hand side. You will see your email address and your username. Tap on this pencil icon. At this page, if you scroll below, you will see delete your account button. Tap it. And once you're at this page, you have to tap on this your current password button. Type in your password, then tap on delete your account. And just like so, follow the on-screen prompt. You might also get an email confirming your deletion. And after a couple seconds, your account will be deleted. So guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.